Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the new MoonShine Mani nail polishes releasing in March. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her newest collection, and this collection is actually dedicated to the show Project Runway, and I was over the moon when I saw these nail polishes and her inspiration for the March releases, because I absolutely love Project Runway. I have been watching it literally since season 1, and I am also following season 18 right now. I really do like that show. It's something, you know, a little quirky, and I really love the challenges and the themes that they come up with for the designers. She also sent me the newest edition in her Project Dupe It Collection, and all of these polishes will be releasing on March 13th, 2020. Make It Work collection will be a 6-piece collection with one add-on polish. The add-on polish will be available for 48 hours as part of the full 6-piece collection, so you will be getting one polish free. But in case if you would like to buy this polish separately, you can also get it that way from Phoebe's website. The Project Dupe It polish is this time inspired by Essie's Time of Shine. Unfortunately, I do not have the original polish, so I won't be able to show you comparisons, but I still hope that you will enjoy all the live swatches, as I will be swatching these polishes on my natural nails. And if you do enjoy these type of videos, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course also hit the subscribe button before you leave if you are not subscribed yet. Alright, now I think it's time to jump into the live swatches. I will leave for you everything in the description box. If you are interested in purchasing these polishes, you can put your hands on them, as I said, starting March 13th. I have to say that I really love everything, but let's see how they swatch on my nails, and then I will come back and share my thoughts on these with you. Alright guys, what are your thoughts on this collection from MoonShine Mani releasing March 13th? I am really liking everything. I do have to say that my favorite is probably Thank You Mood. That's the bright blue with the purple shimmer running through it. Absolutely gorgeous. And I also really enjoy Auf Wiedersehen. That's the blackish jelly base glitter polish. I am in love with every single one of them, but these two polishes are probably my favorites out of the 6-7 piece collection. As I mentioned, All Stars will be an add-on that you can get as part of the collection if you order it within the first 48 hours after these polishes release. I also really like the topper. The inspiration came from Essie's Time of Shine. It will look different depending on the base color that you use. I decided to go with the black polish from MoonShine Mani because I think the colors and the flakies pop the most when you apply them over really dark polishes. You can see it looks really nice also over like the white base color on my swatch wheel. So let me know which polish was your favorite, and if you do enjoy or if you ever watched Project Polish, and what do you think about the show. As I said, I really enjoy it, even though Heidi and Tim are no longer on the show. Kylie and Christian are doing a really good job, and I'm really enjoying the season 18 right now going on. I think it might be almost over by the time you see my video, but anyways, let me know what are your thoughts. If you have any questions, comments, you know the drill, leave them for me in the comment section. I am hoping to start replying back to your comments more frequently. I'm sorry, I'm still having a crazy time at work with working on a new project right now, but anyways, I do hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know what did you think, which polishes are your favorites, and of course if you are watching Project Runway. And thank you so much again to Phoebe for sending me these polishes. I really enjoy them. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.